Talk about Pelecaniformes bird. Title: Pelecaniformes birds, masters of hunting and social intelligence. Introduction. Pelecaniformes, commonly known as pelican-like birds, are a fascinating group of avian species known for their intelligence, remarkable hunting abilities, and cooperative behaviors. This essay explores the characteristics and behaviors that make Pelecaniformes birds truly remarkable creatures in the avian world. Smart birds. Pelecaniformes birds exhibit impressive intelligence, which is evident in their hunting strategies and problem-solving abilities. These birds have evolved to be highly adaptive, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments, particularly near rivers and seas. Their keen sense of observation and quick decision-making skills enable them to make split-second judgments while hunting for food. Hunting for food. Pelecaniformes birds are predominantly piscivorous, meaning they primarily feed on fish. Their long, slender bills and sharp beaks are perfectly adapted for capturing and consuming fish. These birds possess excellent eyesight, enabling them to spot fish from high altitudes and dive into the water with great precision. Group hunting. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pelecaniformes birds is their propensity for group hunting. These birds often gather in large flocks, coordinating their efforts to increase their chances of successful hunting. By working together, they create an impressive spectacle as they dive into the water simultaneously, herding fish into shallower areas for easier capture. Family hunting. While group hunting is common among Pelecaniformes birds, they also engage in family hunting. Adult birds teach their offspring essential hunting techniques, passing down their knowledge and skills from one generation to the next. This family-oriented hunting behavior fosters cooperation and strengthens social bonds within the group. Clever birds. Pelecaniformes birds demonstrate remarkable cleverness in their hunting methods. They have been observed using various tactics to improve their hunting success. For example, some species create a net with their wings, trapping fish as they swim close to the water's surface. Others engage in a synchronized dance, forming a semicircle to enclose fish and prevent their escape. Hunting in rivers and seas. The preference of Pelecaniformes birds for hunting in rivers and seas is no coincidence. These habitats provide an abundant supply of fish, their primary food source. The birds' streamlined bodies and powerful wings allow them to cover large distances efficiently, searching for fish-rich areas. Their ability to navigate across vast bodies of water demonstrates their incredible adaptability. Gentle birds. Despite their hunting prowess, Pelecaniformes birds exhibit gentle and graceful behavior outside their hunting activities. Their elegant flight patterns and tranquil demeanor contribute to their overall appeal. These birds are known to coexist peacefully with other avian species, often sharing roosting sites and nesting areas. Conclusion. Pelecaniformes birds are a testament to nature's ingenuity, showcasing intelligence, adaptability, and cooperative behaviors. Their remarkable hunting abilities, group dynamics, and clever tactics make them a captivating group of avian species. Whether hunting in rivers or seas, these birds demonstrate their prowess while maintaining a gentle and serene demeanor. Observing Pelecaniformes birds in action is not only a visual delight but also a reminder of the intricacies and marvels of the natural world. In closing, I would like to express my gratitude for your attention. I hope you found this essay enlightening and enjoyable. May you always be blessed with good health and continue to appreciate the wonders of nature. Thank you.